Miss Konyak,
February.
guest of honor, Sri Kapoor, Additional Deputy Commissioner,
President.
senior officers from Civil Department, Military, and Police, head of the
Why is a
department,
dog there?
elders, my dear Konyak brothers and sisters. Before we go into the significance of the Lao-ong Mo or festival, let me just very quickly say as to how the concept of Lao-ong festival is worked out this time. Well, over the years, the Lao-ong festival was celebrated in a very huge scale, organized by the Konyak Union, by the Konyak Women Organization, by the Konyak Students Union. We also had a stage to enter into the world record last year. Well, this time it is slightly different. The theme of this year celebration is maximum participation, minimum expenditure. So with this concept in our minds, we seek the cooperation of the various departments, and today about 6-7 departments are exhibiting, showcasing the activities of the department, schemes and programs which will be benefiting the general public. On behalf of the Konyak Union, I would like to thank the department, and we look forward that in the days to come we will have this kind of joint venture which will ultimately benefit the citizen of this district. With due apology, let me speak in my own dialect just for 2 minutes. Ini Lao-ong mo nak chingna punya iyong civil society hampa now may aushin bayok take punya union milma salam mong may bu adaw China damna punya the significant of Lao-ong mo nyawa ngolak wongkong yeje hamna Lao-ong ma hangye teman không quân bu mây sừng nặng short mà Lao-ong ma yoi tây bu ta hay li yoi tây bu ile quang le hadau ya in wat bayang hadau ka yongwan pa da mong mai phabu Thanksgiving hadau ka Lao-ong si bu ngona Songwan da daman pu yamana pa yamana hello lam ya ngonok ayang boy tinik Christianity bayang phema daman meng pu kawang da. Thank you very much sa ilak yuplak Dr. Hello Lao-ong Chang Hui Yingawak Adaw ma Lao-ong Chang English ma nyanyang program ngonang adaw tawa taman không tung kuching na hagahona. Our lift the program, we have the significance of the Lao-ong festival. Let us go through with this. Lao-ong signifies the winding up of all the harvest activities, norms and rituals which were practiced or adhered by every household. In fact, Lao-ong marks the culmination of the entire activities that had been carried out right after the Auleng Monyu celebration. Lao-ong is also known as the Boss Harvest Festival or the annual harvest festival, during which the offerings are being made unto the divine spirit by expressing our indebtedness over a bountiful blessings that is being bestowed upon. Lao-ong is being celebrated to mark its abundant harvest and thanksgiving. Lao-ong is being preceded by performing various rituals adherence to certain strict norms, code, and beliefs. As a gesture of expressing the affection and sorrow, bountifulness in harvest is also being shared with the soul of those members of the family that had expired during the same harvesting year. Harvested crops, grains are being laid along the path leading to the field. Consumption of such offered grains by any creature symbolizes the acceptance by the spirit of the loved ones. Otherwise, it is conceived that their souls are still dropping in gloom. Once the entire process of the harvest is completed, the head of the family lights a huge bonfire adjacent to the hearth for performing its final ritual. If such rituals happen to be divinely ordained, then the smoke is raised straight up into the sky. Though such phenomenon, the living, the dead, and the divine cause are duly informed or unaware. Interestingly, in anticipation for a bountiful blessing during the following harvest, the spirits of good fortune are also invoked, often with the hope to inculcate into a manifold harvest. Later in the village, grain offerings is also laid before the Shongchong, which is the main pillar of the house, to mark the oath of in-depth devotion and thankfulness. The entire community silently waits for the lock drumming sound and the trumpeting echo of the blowing horns to start off the Lao-ong merriment. Such declaratory sounds are also believed to unite the wanderer's soul back into the real form or state. This festival is also celebrated with immense joy of liberation. It also unites the spirits, the minds, and every family members with utmost affection and social integrity. Merriment through feasting happens to be a regular phenomenon during the space of time. Social, cultural, and traditional ethics are uncompromisingly adhered to the well-established norms of the community, while harmonizing our traditional and cultural ethics in accordance to the biblical context. Lao-ong can be disciplined into a mood of thanksgiving to our Almighty for His unfailing grace in blessing our souls in all walks of our lives. Let us celebrate Lao-ong as a gesture of an acknowledgement and thanksgiving. Phu Soi.